Hi, do you like Bitcoin?
Good day to you, sir. We are a leading outsourcing company. I'd love to connect for further discussion.
Hi, I believe there's great synergy between your company, a digital marketing agency, and my company, a toaster company.
How's your year been so far? P.S. Book a demo below.
Greetings of the day!
I want to add you to my professional LinkedIn network.
Great content, love to connect. Could you benefit from 100 leads per day on LinkedIn? Connect today! It would be an absolute pleasure to have you amongst my connections. Hey, we've got a webinar coming up on baking, and I see you liked a post on baking back in 2017. Here's the link. Hey, would you like to make a few $1,000s extra per month? Hi, we've never spoken before, but book a slot on my calendar. Here's a really long calendar invite link.
Subscribe today for more digital marketing, sales, and business growth tips from the experts.